Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the plant disease predictor using machine learning. So this is the about us section, and user can select the plant name from that particular list. Okay, and they can select the language where it can translate that particular output in that whatever user has selected that language. User have to first upload any image from dataset. So let's select from tomato and select the plant name and then click on process. So it predicted the leaf mold, description, symptoms of disease, and the prevention. It will give the complete description about the that particular leaf. Okay, let's select any other image. After the then click on process button, and they selected the Hindi language, so it will show in the Hindi. रोकथाम पौधों का सप्ताह. Okay, you can select the language change Gujarati, so they will show in the Gujarati description. Okay, it will complete show in the Gujarati. Okay, let's change the plant name and upload the image from Apple dataset. Okay, let's select this image and then click on process button. So it will give the complete description in the Gujarati language. Okay, we have selected the English language and again select the image and then click on process button. So it will show cedar rust, description, prevention. So this project developed using Python programming language and Django framework is used to develop the graphical user interface, and machine learning model is used to train the model on that large data set. So we have selected the plant name and go to dataset and select from the con, select this image and select the language also, then click on process button. So it predict the common rust, prevention and description. We can change the language and select the image and then click on process button. So it will show in that particular Telugu language. User can change the languages according to their preferences. So let's again upload an image and click on process button. So it will show the language in Hindi. Okay, let's select any other image. Then click on process button. So it shows the अज्ञात दी गई छवि में कोई पता नहीं है, like it's unknown image. This is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.